Law of divine oneness. We are all connected, every person, animal, and tree. We are all one with the universe from which we are created. Therefore, all actions and choices we make in our lives affect everything and everyone around us. Honor and value the divinity within you and all other beings. Law of vibration. Everything in the universe is energy and all things have a unique vibrational frequency. Just as there are sound vibrations, so are there vibrations of thought and feeling. In order to create the life we want, we must align ourselves with the frequency of that which we wish to attract. This is the essence of the quote, "Thoughts become things." Law of action. In order to manifest our dreams into the physical world, we must take action. We must engage in actions that support our intentions. Law of correspondence. This universal law states that your outer world, a life experience, is a direct reflection of your inner world, your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. If you spend your days thinking angry, negative thoughts, your life experience will be filled with anger and negativity. If you wish to change the outside, change the inside. Law of cause and effect. This universal law is also known as karma. It states that what goes around comes around, and what you do comes back to you. If you act in positive ways, you will reap positive rewards, as is true for the opposite. Law of compensation. This law states that what you get back, what you give to others, as you give, so shall you receive. If you want to receive good things and be surrounded by good energy, be that example. Law of attraction. As you think, so shall you be. This law demonstrates how we create the things, events and people in our lives based on what we think, say and do. Positive energies, thoughts, and vibrations attract just that. The same goes with negativity. The law of perpetual transmutation of energy. Everyone has the power to change the conditions of their lives. Energy is constantly moving and all energy will eventually manifest in the physical. High vibrations consume and transform lower ones, and we can change any negativity that exists within our life experience by applying the universal laws. Law of Relativity. In life, we are all faced with challenges to overcome. This law teaches us to give our problems the proper perspective. No matter how bad we perceive our situation to be, there is always someone who is in a worse position. It's all relative. Law of Polarity. The law of polarity states that within all things lies its exact opposite. Therefore, we have the capacity to transform any negative into a positive, because within the negative, the positive lies. Law of Rhythm. The universe has its own set of rhythms, cycles, and stages. Often as humans, we struggle to accept this and instead attempt to manipulate and control the world to our liking. Understanding the law of rhythm releases the attachment to having things when we think we want them and helps us to trust that there is a divine order to all things. Law of Gender. This law states that within all things there are both masculine and feminine qualities, yin and yang. In order to achieve balance, both forces must be present. It is this law that governs what we know as creation. It is masculine which plants the seed and creates a goal, and the feminine that nurtures it to grow and manifest.